Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited. So you remember this all started back in February when our ice maker leaked and we got a terrible buckle underneath our hardwood floors. And then we had the whole issue of getting a pantry made, which took months. And then we just got our floors redone. We still have to do the touch-up paint on the trim and do the deep cleaning because the deep cleaning is real, guys. Look at that. Think we need a deep cleaning? So to get all of the sawdust off of everything, and it looks so beautiful. So even though it's been a lot of hard work going through this, we've got something beautiful out of a mess. So that's the good part of it. And the new floor flows seamlessly into the old floor. So they did a really good job getting everything put back together. And then we still have to finish up with painting or staining the pantry, whatever we decide to do there. So we still have this left to go, but it is coming together so beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is the area here, and that is where our wine cooler is. Now we do think this may be for a future elevator shaft. So as you can see there, and there's this weird like closet over on the side. So that's what we had. Another contractor said it looks like it's for an elevator for the upstairs. So here is our little pantry, looking beautiful. This is the one I painted and did the shelves in last year, and all the little pegs. Looks super good. We've got the I always call it quarter round, but they call it shoe molding. We got those back down. And I learned something. They said that the stained shoe molding is not the style anymore, but I guess I'm just old-fashioned because I like it that way, because white shoe molding just gets scuffs all over it. But when you have stained shoe molding, you don't see the scuffs. So the hallway looks super good. And then going back here, this looks super good. Oh, we gotta still put the door back on. So that still needs to be done. And we ended up going with the Provincial color and the stain. We were in between the dark walnut and the Provincial, and we just decided we would do the Provincial because floors will naturally darken as they get older, and we knew it would get a little bit darker, and we just thought it would look good with the paint color that we had, that the Provincial would be perfect for us. So the dark walnut was definitely beautiful, but I feel like you can see a little bit more of the grain of the wood, and we're big wood lovers around here. So that is how it's looking so far.
It's really pretty. Well, you can really smell the polyurethane.
It is strong, isn't it?
It is very strong.
Makes my eyeballs burn.
Oh wow, look at this. Did a really good job getting back in here as well.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's check out the closet. Seems like a small thing, but still. It's interesting how some of the wood takes the stain better than others.
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited about getting the wood vents throughout here. That's going to be really nice. Okay. I mean, it looks brand new. This is incredible.
Mm-hmm.
You could see the seams clearly before they came back and refinished everything.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the waviness. I don't know if the camera catches, but you can see some of the waviness in the actual wood. And but it just fits together. They came by, and somewhere along here, I think it might be this board. But anyway, somewhere in here they had to put in a wider board because there was a gap. There was a noticeable gap there. They came back and they fixed that all the way through, and you would never know the difference. It's incredible. These are always nice to have electric in the floors. Oh, the Wi-Fi's hooked back up. I have to take advantage of that. So let's look through here. Here's the office. Yeah, the scent's still pretty strong. Mm-hmm. Sure is pretty though. Oh, there it goes. What do you think?
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I think you can see a little bit of the waviness of the floor just because our floor has settled.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can see some through here.
But I mean, if you were built in 2008 and on sand, you probably would settle too.
I was built in 1976 and I have a lot of waviness. I'm still settling. Still settling.
Yeah, probably good to leave that open so it doesn't be so smelly in there.
Yeah. We'll have to come and change back or change out the air filters, so maybe we can do that here really soon.
Yeah.
Maybe today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we need to go purchase some. And then the door is still off of this room.
Yeah. I wonder if you put that in the living room or
I
the
think it's
garage?
in the bathroom.
In the bathroom, okay. Mary Faith's room looks really good.
Yeah, you can see another bit of that waviness. Yeah. I bet there's a floor joist right here.
Yeah, I can see that. Mm-hmm. I mean, the funny thing is you don't feel it. I mean, it's smooth, it's flat.
And once you have furniture in here,
you won't ever see it.
You won't ever see it.
Yeah. It's almost a shame to put rugs down, but the rugs are a nice touch.
Yeah, he said 2 weeks for rugs though. It's like fingernail polish.
Yeah. But the quarter round or shoe molding, whatever you want to call it, turned out really nice too. I'm glad we went back with a stain instead of the traditional or the more common just white quarter round. A lot of people are doing that. And that's probably the easy thing to do, but this does not show scuffs or markings from people's shoes or furniture, and it just looks classy. It's traditional, not everybody likes it, but I think it looks really classy.
We're old timey. Woo! This is extra dusty.
It's a great house though. I mean, whenever they custom built this house, they put in a ton of molding, really nice fixtures. Might be a couple of updates I still think would be great to do. But now that the hardwood's done, I think it just really adds so much more to the house. Still love the stacked stone of the house. I love the heavy molding around the windows. I love the large windows that let in a tremendous amount of natural light. They need to be cleaned.
Oh, I know, they're really dirty.
We can do that. But no, it looks great. I'm excited.
Me too. I think it looks really good.
Now if we can just get the refrigerator and everything back in.
Yeah, I was so worried about the stain color, but I think the stain color, the Provincial, looks really good with the walls and the trim and everything.
Yeah.
And it's not like so dark that you don't come in and say, woo, that's a really dark floor. You just come in and say, oh, that's a nice floor.
Yeah.
So.
Exactly.
There's something right there. Oh, just a little piece of trash. Yeah.
I was noticing you do notice a little bit of a hump here, you know, just from the settling.
Yeah.
I'd forgotten that we did not paint behind the refrigerator, so we need to do that.
I know.
Maybe we've got some extra paint.
It looks bad. I do have extra paint, but I might have to get a fresh gallon because it's like almost 2 years old now.
Oh, here's an interesting question. Does this impact your thought on the color of the cabinets? Because we wrestled with that a lot about whether how dark did we want the floors in comparison to the cabinets, having such light countertops now since we got new countertops.
I don't know.
Are you still thinking about maybe painting them? Or?
Yeah. I mean, I look at like that stain there and kind of looks splotchy. I don't think this wood accepts stain very well.
Yeah, I'm still kind of leaning towards painting the cabinets white, even though I was really against that in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely do not like the backsplash now.
Oh no, it looks so yellow.
So if we could maybe redo that.
Yeah, we can definitely do that. Turn on the light and just kind of see what the...
Yeah.
Whew, my eyes are burning so bad.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bothering mine too bad.
Yeah, I'm thinking, I mean, it doesn't look bad because where are we bringing this trash in from?
Maybe something stuck to my foot, I don't know.
Okay, so, you know, because we did do the lighter color flooring. It doesn't look bad with this color cabinet, but it doesn't look...
It's definitely dirty. That would have.
Yeah, it's dirty. It's definitely, but it doesn't look new. You know what I mean? It doesn't look fresh.
No, it doesn't. I kind of wish we could have gotten this painted before they put the quarter round on.
Mm-hmm. Because these countertops, sink and faucet look very fresh.
Oh yeah, it's so nice. I mean, the old sink that was in here. It's weird to think this is a new sink.
Yeah, it's a new sink.
It's interesting.
Does it not look new to you?
Not really. I mean, maybe it's just. I mean, we haven't had it but what, a couple weeks, but it just already looks so dingy. And
Well, I mean, think about what they just did in this house.
Yeah.
They sanded for like 3 days. It's dirty.
It's no excuse. It should always look awesome.
But yeah, the other one was separating from the countertop.
Yeah, this looks 1,000% better. I do like the color of the countertop. You know, this is new. I see what you're saying earlier. You can feel the grain, which is interesting in a quartzite. Does remind you so much more of granite than actual quartz.
This is the only part that really worries me right there.
Would that actually crack eventually?
Yeah, would that crack eventually?
Hope not.
And then there's a little one right here too, but it's not as pronounced.
Yeah, I mean, we've got some exciting work ahead. I think it'll look very nice whenever we're done with it. Yeah, I can't wait.
Okay. But I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek behind the scenes of what's going on in our house remodel. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you have a chance to get in your garden today. Bye, friends.